As we open up our world, how can we prioritize energy efficiency and invest in making this a green restart? Buildings account for 40% of global energy use, and to meet the 1.5-degree scenario, we need to decrease emissions from buildings by 33%. Not just through new buildings, but by improving existing ones too. One cost-effective way is to reduce energy use by retrofitting and optimizing systems like heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, because the greenest energy solution is the energy we don't need at all. Using technology available today, we can also connect buildings to smart energy systems, adding to our energy efficiency by reusing their excess heat to heat our homes. By making our buildings more energy efficient, we can not only stimulate the economy, but create new jobs and make this a green restart. This is where the transformation starts. Join us, and together we are engineering tomorrow.